trigonometry question here.
I want to ask you why you reject this answer. Do it, I'll ask you. I've done this in a
Okay, so you're telling me you're going to ask me a question.
Yeah.
Thanks for the heads up. Yeah. Right, A3. Okay, what's the formula? Or what do they tell you? Okay, so A is obtuse. No, that's okay. What else do you know about A?
Side A is 4 over 5.
Okay, so it's obtuse and it's positive, so it must be in the fourth quadrant. No. In the second quadrant. Yeah. What else? Or you're asked to calculate.
Find the exact value of square root of 1 plus.
Yes.
1 plus sine 2a.
Yes.
That's square root 1 plus 2 sine a cos a.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's square root 1 plus 2 sine a is 4 over 5. And cos A will be 3 over 5, but
Plus minus.
yes, there's a plus minus, and now if we're in the second quadrant, cos will be minus. So this is square root 1 minus 824 over 25. 8 times 3 is 24, yeah. So that is 1 over root 5, 1 over 5. The answer is 1 over 5.
Okay.
Now, his answer is totally wrong. That is totally wrong to say plus minus here. It's completely 100%. I would bet, name any amount of money, and I shall bet that amount of money is completely wrong. Because in maths, and the mistake he made is something that a middle school student would make. The problem, not the problem, in maths, if you have x squared equals 9, that means x is equal to plus or minus 3.
Yeah.
However, forget about that. Delete that from your mind. If I said what is the square root of 9, the definition is the square root of 9 is 3. It's not plus minus 3. So if I asked you what's the square root of blah, you should only have one answer, the plus root answer.
Yeah.
However, there is a difference if I say, oh, x squared equals blah. Then you're looking for as many x's that will solve this. There's multiple answers. So his plus minus here is completely and totally 100% wrong.
Because when you take plus and minus, you get two answers. 7 over 5 or 1 over 5.
Yeah.
In the video I saw, if you got both answers, then you rejected one.
Now I might have done it a different way in the video, yeah.
It's just because
But if you actually say what's the square root of 144, you say plus or minus.
No, you don't. You shouldn't. It's 12. You don't say plus minus. So if I said what is the square root of 144, the answer is by definition 12. Now if I said what numbers squared make 144, then you say plus minus 12. So there's a small difference between the two. Yeah. And I remember my maths teacher telling me that. Mr. Colin Anderson, he told me that. And I remember seeing that in my maths book. And I remember teaching students this every year, so it is something I'm 100% sure about. No going back on it. Alright.